G'day, a mixed parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. Crystal is a fair bit of the parcel. Obviously there's some potch mixed in and some colour bars amongst the bits and pieces. This has just been randomly tipped out of the bucket. There's a nice bright bar through there, goes right round. I haven't looked at this until I've been describing it here for you. Colour bar, just there, bright red flash coming through. Bit pockety. Bigger piece. Obviously you can see the sand there, but around this side the colour bars underneath the skin. Crystal. Might just get a little tiny stone off the end there, but super bright. Anyway, there's a bit of a different piece. Just a little stone on the end here. Anyway, good luck with your purchase.